Here is how you can get the clock icon back on the iPhone. Let me talk about it and give you the solution. So let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you go to your home screen and see the list or grid of your apps on the home screen right there and you don't see the clock, then you can either bring it back as an icon or as a widget. So let me start with the icon. When you are on the home screen, just swipe all the way to the right until you find the app library. It's literally titled that way, and it's like a large grid of literally every app of your iPhone. And you can go in here and find the clock application, right? So it's all separated into different categories, but clock is part of the utilities and it should be the case for you as well. So you just get inside and grab the clock icon and you bring it back to the home screen. You find the right place for it and you can then just have it right there. And it's not only the icon which gets you to the clock app, but it's also a dynamic app or dynamic app icon which also displays the time in real time, so it's also showing the correct clock, right? So that is also a very useful feature. If you however mean the larger clock icon, this is actually a widget which you can find when you hold it down somewhere on the screen and edit the home screen. Basically you tap on the edit in the top left, click on add widget and choose the clock application. So plenty of types and plenty of ways you can add it. You can see some different styles, digital, analog, and yeah, you can bring the one that you like to the home screen and get it back if that's the thing that you are missing. So I hope that I was able to help you out with that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.